Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Zaheer here. Hope you're all doing fine. And today we will learn conditional formatting. So when I say conditional, it means that it satisfies based on your condition. You can highlight your cell values. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it goes. See, as you can see my screen, like I have. This one we have already discussed in the cell references, and here we have a quarter one quantity, quarter two quantity, 3, 4, and yearly quantity, sold rate, and sales amount. And I wanted to highlight certain values. I just wanted to make it more presentable. This one, so I say that conditional format is available in this one. So let us say if I want this one to be highlighted when there is a greater value, say for example greater than, let's say, 250. Okay, it means that I have you can highlight it, you can just mention the 250 here, and then you can highlight, say, green, and take this one. It says, say, okay, so it means that it shows that which are the quantity which I have sold more than 250. So let's say 250 is my target, so here is my 250, and here for this one is for the quarter one, and when I go to quarter two I increase my target, maybe we'll put 350. So here I'll go and say, let's say, greater than, what is that, 350. Okay, this is in, let's say it is in yellow, I can mention that. Okay, this is in quarter two, and quarter three is 450. Let's select that as well. Go here and say greater than, how much is 450. Okay, this one 450 is in red, and quarter four is 550. You can select that as well. You can go here and say greater than, how much is 550. You can select that as, let's say, go to the custom format. I'll change it to fill and say 550. I'll put it as in dark green, no, let's say light green. Okay, you can select that as well and say okay. So these are my few targets which I have achieved. So this is my target. So, and this is one way you can do. Another one is, like, say, is my if I want to keep less than, let's say, and say for example, you can select again here and go and say highlight is less than 250. Less than 250, I need to keep always custom and say red. Okay, say okay. Okay, so this one is the less than 250. Minimum I have kept to 250, so I have kept it to. So if you want to spread these condition, let's say you can go to conditional formatting, manage rules, where you can edit your rules. Go to the manage rules. Let's say this one is in current selection, so we say this worksheet. This is the red. So red one we wanted to expand. Like you say, go here, and this one is selected here. So you just select everything until all 4 quarters. Okay, say apply. See here, wherever there is a minimum 250, less than 250, product which I have sold, it is highlighted here. Even if you change here to 100, it will change here. So okay, this one is there. This is one example. Okay, if you wanted to let's say next sales, which I do, this one we can make, let's say, and I wanted to change the condition. Let's wanted to clear all the condition, go to manage rules. Let's say this one, you can also select everything and say you can just select delete rule, delete. You can apply and say okay, so you can delete the rules also. And let's say control Z, I'm just keeping it same rules. Or if you want to edit, as I said, then go to the manage rule and say this one is in this worksheet. Let's say this one is in 550. Like you wanted to edit the rule, you can just say edit rule and say here you can say, let's say I'll keep it 600. That's example. Okay, you can edit that as well. You can apply it and okay. So this one you keep it to, let's say, 550. So it says 550 should be colored, right? But right now it is not colored because we have changed the conditions. So this is one way you can maintain your conditions. And next one is we would like to know, we have seen greater than and say between if you wanted to mention. Say for example, in quarter one sales, I this is my condition 50,000 to 90,000. When there is a range of sales here, it should be colored green. So you can say just select everything, go to the condition format, go to the in between, say between initial value is 50,000 and 90,000. Okay, this one should be in green for this one. Okay, say this what happened. Go to the condition formatting, manage rule, edit. Cell value is between. Let's one is sorry 50,000 and 90,000. Okay, apply. So this is the only where we have sold, on between that range. This one. Okay, let's see this one. This one should be 52,500 to 94. So let's go and say between how much? 52,500 and 94,500. This should be in, let's say, in green. And this one should be 55. Okay. Should be 55, 125 and 99, 225. It should be green. And this should be in 57,000 in between, let's say 57,881 versus 104, 186. Okay, this should be in green. And here, this one should be between 250,000 to 350,000. Should be, let's say, I'll go to custom. Let's say dark green. Okay. See, it means that in this for this particular quarter, we have only reach 50 to 90,000 sales on only this product, okay, which we have targeted. Rest of the product we have not reached. Okay, this is all. And one more thing, let's say we have just entered the number in the conditional format. Now I want to refer, for example, let's say I change it to let's keep it as 30,000 to 50,000. I change the entire calculation. So that doesn't change, but these are all should be highlighted, right? It should be under 30 to 50,000. So how to do that is you can go again as if we discussed manage rule. Okay, go to this worksheet. What is which is the one we have used? The first one is okay. Let's say this is in KH. In H we need to do is select, go to H, this one. Okay, go to edit rule. Cell value is between 50,000. Here you can change it to again 30,000. Rather than, it's best you click on that, select this one, H1, and this one should be H2. Okay, it's in dollar to dollar because the cell reference doesn't change even you drag that. I will show you how to do that. This one is applied. So see here that thing is there. Now next one is I. You can just select here and I, edit rule. In I it should be this one, and this one. Okay, this is okay. Apply, and quarter 3 is in J, column J. Yeah, this one. Edit rule J, this one, and then select here again and click on J. Okay, this one should be apply, and okay, and within K, H I J K is K K. This is the K1. K should be this one and this one. Okay, this is in K. Just say apply. K, then L. L is if you have not changed anything, but you can still change the reference. You can say one, this one. Okay. Okay. So now we have changed the ranges. So let's keep, if I keep the range to 40,000 to 90,000 range. So see here, automatically this entire formatting changes based on the cell references. Also, you can mention here. There you have, earlier we have used only the absolute value. We have entered the value in the formula. Right? Next time we have used cell references based on the change. Let's say this one we have changed to 100,000 to 350,000. That's our sales range. So anything, say for example, anything below this, this is in between. Anything below, let's say, anything less than 40,000 should be one range, and another one, anything, so if let's say 39,900, let's say 40,000. Okay, use this form, the cell reference. Okay, with the same value here. Let's copy this one as well. And this one is okay. So this one you are saying it's less, less, and this is in between. Okay, this one is in greater. So here in this conditional format, we have used only this two. Okay, between only we have used. We have not used less than. So let's select this one. Go to conditional format is less than. What value should be there? Should be this one. Okay. If it is less than, let's keep it red. Okay. And this one less than this value, red, and this value less than, instead of this, keep it this one. Okay, and this one select here again, conditional format less than this value, keep it red, this one less than, and it should be this value, keep it this one. Okay, this is in less than. Whichever the target is not met, we are highlighting in in red. So now again another condition is greater than 90,000. Okay, let's keep it this one again. Select here again. Go here. Greater than which value is 90,000. Here we are going to use custom format highlighted in light green. Okay, let's give that, and whichever we have, you can go to greater than this value, should be in custom format, go to light green color, and this one quarter 3 we can use into greater than 99,255. Use custom format green. Okay, and quarter 4, this one should be greater than this value, should be custom format light green. Okay, and this one year sales is on beyond greater than 350,000, should be, we are saying, let's keep it custom format, let's keep it in blue. For example, green already we have used. Okay, or we can change, if you want to change the light color to manage rule. In this selection we have used this one in between. For this one we change it to format light green. Okay, okay, and this blue should be edit rule format to dark green. Okay, okay, and apply. So this is how you can change. Now you change it. Say for example, we have changed it to 30,000. Sorry, 30,000, and this one you say 50,000. This one you get 75,000. About this one is 75,000. So based on my change condition automatically. So this is my target. If you keep changing the target, the cell references, you can use it. Okay. And thank you very much. Hope you like this session. Thank you very much.